Hey everybody, I'm going to do a number of videos here where we talk about what to do if you want to get started investing in real estate. Now the world of real estate is really quite large, so I highly suggest you do not wing it. In fact, that's my first tip. When you do real estate, do not wing it, okay? You're talking about assets that have big numbers attached to them, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars. And so we're going to start there with that simple tip. Do not wing it, okay? You want to get trained, and I would strongly suggest you get coached, and we'll get into those tips in a minute. But I just want to implore upon you the importance on making sure you do not try to make this up as you go. Because in real estate, what you don't know can and almost certainly will cost you money, usually a lot of money. There is no shortage of real estate investors that have gotten in the game and got out of the game after doing one or two deals. In fact, I often tell people the most common real estate investor is the new investor because they're new, they try it by tipping their toe in the water and they're gone. So please do not win it. So check out all the tips I'm going to have for you. It's going to help you out a long way if you're looking to get started in this business. See you on the next one.